Saa kwani en wayi efri bechem besri kokotwam Techimantia kwa akomada no ekwa no ye de beto nti ekwa no ye be frɛ no adekofo highways
mama akwaba wo frɛ me adwowa search name mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news ebusuafo Techimantia Hene na okase na ochre se ever since otena Techimantia hono no ohu kwan His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo anase NPP abawe aye ede amomo no ohu bida na saa kwan no anase saa street no or the better His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo because ekwan Nana do waye no edutwem His Excellency waye ade papa ye nti wabo Nana na ba so na ochirese 2024 abati omo be grateful to His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo and NPP abawe which Vice President Dr. Baumia and obe benefit in terms of voting no. Na de be ka say adwa de bia wo ba na wo kan sin na do ayesin na do ayesin. That is the path me choose because His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo unless say bia e bia say bi wote abrochire outside Ghana inti no hu ne ekoso. And e bia wo Ghana ha but one time to two kwan but me two kwan pa. Teacher in the Western region, Mekoho. Into when I'm talking about roads at His Excellency Aya, I know what I'm talking about. When I'm talking about infrastructures and another Aya, I know what I'm talking about. And as a good citizen, it's not about political parties, it's not about NDC, it's not about NPP. No NPP now didn't say more cultural. NDC now didn't say more cultural. But we are supporting NPP because economy ni mu aye dem party yes NPP aba we abonu mo den asen aban bia mi swade ba mi hu oman pani ye fa ne say oman pani kofo na membu kakra e na mi hu Rata Mills na membu kakra na man pen dada mahama so na membu kakra but confidently metimi akasa His Excellency why are the pa asa time man pen dada mahama ye president na ohen ben no timi ba bonte akasa oh man pen dada mahama oyade oye say why ye nkwan ama ye kwan why ye de emu bi da na say when na mo tse sense no that be by His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo nyankasa metimi attest to the fact say why are they when it comes to roads any day ese me advocacy de ma roads na Nana why we Ghana ha edutwe His Excellency abono mo de papa aye say ye danase e comedian but nyama one or two be the why and aban mi so nzim be fido nti sa wotu fie no come do na wodidi ane enye na Nana na sema mapenda da mahama oba that's economy ni ye dia he will not come and feed you but at least Nana do ama wakwanya betim dia ye dwuma feed you mapenda da mahama den no ye enti no omada His Excellency ase enti nsema de etudwa
de Nana no muzie nie se na nka Techimantia ye na anwini da biara da se ye behunu kwane a eti se wo ye mamu aba biara da na ne enwanwan kura ne se wanfa ekwane a eti se yi ankoto nkran na de beto Techimantia abonten so ha yewura de Nana mu ka kire woni se ekwane a wo ye ma ye ni ane yare sisi yare ye nyina kura ye sisi yare ye ko na ne ye ka kire woni se ne wa ye ye ni ye nchirima ene Nana kanso anu nyina eyo mfiri wo da biara da na ye be ma wo asedapie sie nsusu a wa wo be hu se Techimantia ye nya sabi akwatafo du a won ko Yesu okokwaje ayaresa ba ko pekokoda na se no ye de man ni nyina beda wase de man se men kan kire won nani se saa kwane en wayi efri bechem besri kokotwam Techimantia kwa akomada no ekwa no ye de beto nti ekwa ne be frɛ no adekofo highways afa ni ma no ka kire wunie ana mo ade pa waye ade am ahye animunyam no yeso ye be hye wanimunyam kwanuansa nyina so ye be da wase da bumbum sande da bia wo ka no ya se da be ba nche nyina be ye bumbum megyina ma ni nyina na mu enadua me ne wo kasa se ye kura yensam na ntwi a wo tue bia se adepa waye amaye no ye mo na ntwie mua baako se ye wuraje ye ni so a edi kan no
If Akufo-Addo gets up, Yewura Mahama, he accords him all the respect, just as an adult should do. He accords him all the respect because he's a former president of the Republic of Ghana, for God's sake. Akufo-Addo has served 2 terms. The one that is labeled as arrogant is the one who just always minds his language when he speaks to the Ghanaian people. He addresses his own opponent, who doesn't regard him as a human being. When he addresses him as Yewura Mahama. Even our children will look at Akufo-Addo and say, oh wow, that is beautiful for our politics. But if Yewura Mahama gets up, stupid, Abainfuwe, our chiefs, our religious leaders, all of them are ignorant to even support this government. Everybody is stupid, and you think that you have the audacity to ask somebody questions and then they don't have any audacity to ask you. This is the arrogant nature that people don't see. This arrogant nature, he has already shown to the whole of Ghanaians. He told nursing and teacher trainees that if they won, they shouldn't vote him. He does not care. He told the Asante people that even if you construct roads with goats, they will not appreciate. And you know what? He turned around and told the whole Ghanaian people who were upset with his government that he's a dead goat. He does not care. This man is a dead goat. He has proven to you, he has proven to the whole nation that he is a dead goat and he's unconcerned. If you make a mistake of giving him this opportunity, that is when you realize that you've made the biggest mistake of your life. That is when you will know as a Ghanaian that you've made the biggest mistake of your life. You see, he's showing us his arrogance even as an opposition leader. He hasn't yet been made the president yet. Now, as an opposition leader who has been president before and has sat down in the house for 8 years, is this the character he should be exhibiting on the screens? Our children cannot even look at him and be proud of our politics. When Akufo-Addo speaks, you can see the beauty of our politics and you can see that this man has decency in his language. John Dramani Mahama does not have that. Look, I regard myself to be an intelligent person and I regard myself to be a smart person. A person like John Dramani Mahama cannot lead me. He cannot be my president. It would be a shame to me. It would be an insult to my personality and my intelligence. Any Ghanaian who believes that they are smart and they are deep thinking, and then they believe in our culture and then believe in respect, should not even see John Dramani Mahama as an option. In the first place, he doesn't have good policies. In the second place, he doesn't have good character. You cannot go for John Dramani Mahama. It will be the biggest mistake of this nation.
Yo, Ejaya, meka say sa baton na yes sign na 8 years NDC buy no. Ghana fo nyi ena meka say bibi bia besi na ye o. Se say ama Ghana fo hu difference I wo NDC ni MPP ntem. Obejedi. Oma hu anka me kwampo se me so me NDC ni. O sa. Enti me NDC ni but ya be free one better so be free oti regional na voter region obey MPP ni. Who is telling you that? Me NDC for ya no mo na wo ka hwe aye ntie. Wo pa for second years wo ye na ye den ye NDC. In fact, wanya hweam NDC nye campaign e wo oti region and voter region obewini. No ababa say. No we are but this time we are saying this so you should know. Say ya no mo krampo ya bani e ka we chira you should know. Say adia bi wo hon enkoyi ya no ahu say enkoyi. You know voters and noti people they are people they are very loyal. Say ono one wo ti ho a dia wo beye bia no ofa no saa nti no eyo enyo no ɔte ho but ya hu sisie ne yasisi ya che oma hu say insisi abamu ache because ya we nyina mama in fact they will go and come and not do anything. So the study say wom say krobia mu say road ni ho na ho ma luke kurase pa nti ne akwan nyina anye but say ya kwan ye. So what are you trying to tell me? No. You can't tell me say NDC ni ye no mo. We are telling you say NDC nye. And when we say NDC nya you have to trust us because ye ni enim. Yeah, dear. And we are telling you, say this time round, we have to move forward. As I say, omo betimi aboa ye no. Omo necessary mo system mu. Na so obi wa kwan ye no obi aba